Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I want to introduce my next build. As August 6th approaches, it's the 80th anniversary of the dropping of the atomic bomb on Hiroshima, and which was delivered by the ENOLA GAY. And so to commemorate that anniversary, I'm going to build the ENOLA GAY, the Minicraft kit in 1:144. I actually saw the ENOLA GAY at the Air and Space Museum in Chantilly, Virginia, some time back. So I have those photos as references, although this is, a fairly simple kit, so I'm not sure I'm going to even need any references. But nonetheless, I've been looking forward to building this for a while, and I actually put it on the shelf for precisely this anniversary. So as you can see, it's a fairly straightforward kit, and minimal decals, and they give you two sets. One set is for the ones it wore for that mission, which is the ones I'll be using, and then the other set is what it normally wore, before and after. The other thing is I'm probably going to build it wheels up, and use one of these Airfix stands, and I'll figure out the appropriate sized one to use once I get there. But in the meantime, I guess I'll do an unboxing. And you may have seen, I did a video on it. I've built the entire presidential series of Air Force One presidential aircraft, and almost all of those were Minicraft, so I'm fairly familiar with, Minicraft kits, how they go together, so on and so forth. And I really like their decals of everything about their kits. Their decals are the best. They're extremely opaque. And usually typically go down very well, take salva set very well, so on and so forth. So first set sprue here is clear parts, two fuselage halves, raised detail, rear wings, engines, and it has the gun turrets, but my understanding is that it was stripped of its weaponry for weight reasons. I don't know if they provide plugs or if I'll have to plug that. Uh-oh. Shoot. It's missing. Ah, there it is. All right. Good thing I caught that. Okay, so top wings, some flash here and there. I'll have to put this back on. Again, probably going to close those doors, leave that landing gear off. So with that, that's my introduction to my next build, the Minicraft Boeing B-29A Super Fortress, the ENOLA GAY, for the August 6th 80th anniversary of the Hiroshima detonation. So stay tuned for that, and as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.